Okay, so it's just pretty much just combining like terms after if there's a minus sign in front of parentheses, you have to distribute the minus sign, right? So if it has a plus sign, that's pretty easy. Just drop the parentheses and combine like terms. Okay. So let's see, we got a cubed and an 4a cubed minus 3a cubed. That gives me a 1a cubed, positive 1a cubed, or just a cubed. Let's see, squared. I got a 3a squared and a 4a squared. That gives me a 7a squared. Guys, go ahead and leave this in standard form too, from highest exponent to lowest exponent. And then a's. Let's see, I got a 3a to the first, and that's it. And then my constant, positive 3. That's it. So there's my answer. Okay. Pretty simple when it's addition. Subtraction's not that much harder. You just have to distribute that minus sign to every term that's after it. So what that really does is changes this to a positive, positive, positive. Okay. So I've got, let's see, fourth, m to the fourth, positive 3m to the fourth, 10m to the fourth. See my squares. Here's a no cubes, so I got a square. 2m squared and a positive 8m squared is a positive 10m squared. And then lastly, let's see, I've got a negative 7m, positive 5m, negative 2m. And I'm done. When I have a binomial times a binomial, we use FOIL. You guys are probably used to FOIL, or even, well, I'll do FOIL. So first, 4r times 6r, 24r squared, right? Inner or outer, inner, outer is 4r times negative 7 is negative 28r inner. 6 times 6r is a positive 36r. And then last, 6 times negative 7 is negative 42. And with FOIL, or whenever you times a binomial, you always get these two terms to combine. So I get 24r squared. See, minus 28 plus 36 is a plus 8r minus 42. There's my answer. Now, FOIL is okay. And like I said, most of you are probably going to use that. But when we get into trinomials times a binomial, I like, now you can distribute, and some of your next, I think the next higher, like pre-calcs and maybe trig, I don't know, advanced algebra, they're going to make you distribute each one of those, and you get a huge thing, and then you combine like terms, and there's an easier way for this, I think. Okay, let's see. I'm going to make a box. Okay, and I like putting the smaller. This is a binomial, so I like putting that for my rows. I got an x, and I got a plus 5. So that gives me 2 rows. And then on top, I put the larger one. In this case, it's a trinomial, 8x squared minus 7x minus 4. That gives me 3 columns. Then I just multiply. X times x squared, 8x cubed. X times negative 7x is negative 7x squared. X times negative 4, negative 4x. 5 times 8x squared is positive 40x squared. Positive 5 times negative 7x is a negative 35x. Positive 5 times negative 4 is negative 20. Okay, this gives me 2 diagonals instead of just the one set of r's. Here we have 2 sets. And we have the x squared and the x to the first to combine. But here's my answer. 8x cubed. So you have plus 40x squared minus 7x squared is a plus 33x squared. Negative 35x, negative 4x is a negative 39x. And then my minus 20. I really think this is the best way to do this. Instead of distributing, here you're going to get, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6 strung out. Like this, you're going to get 6 terms all strung out. It's very easy to make mistakes. Questions, comments, concerns? Was it boring for you? It's math. What do you want, man? All right. That's all I got today. Got any questions?